Hi, Bela. We're aboard Sea Wave. We rounded Cape May and we're heading up Delaware Bay on our way to the canal. We've got the engines are off. We have 7.3. You can probably see it there. Speed over ground 6.9 to 7.2, somewhere in there.
We're all setting in. It's great.
And we're against the current. There's Todd. There's Jason and Paula. So she's really, the helm looks nice and balanced. I'm going to take a walk up and then we're going to look at the sails. Alright. Might be a little trim on the main, but we're close hauled here, as you can see. I'll go forward here so that we can get a look at the bow. She's been so comfortable the whole way. Bela, she's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Comfortable and safe. Wow, she's really moving. All right, I'm gonna shut the video off so I can walk with a handhold here. All right, bye for now.